So let me, okay, cool Dr. ELO, yeah, show me what you got here. You look great, by the way. I love the tones. I love the color, everything. Let's start with what computer are you using to stream with?
MacBook Pro. It's right here in the corner. It's all closed up. MacBook Pro M1, 16 gigs of memory. That's the one that I use for streaming. I do have another one here, but it's this is a PC right here.
Okay.
This PC, I used it for vMix, but I'm married with Mac now. The M1 make me do it.
Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. All right. So what about your microphone there?
This microphone right here, it's oh my God, I forgot. What is it? It's a NT5, Rode NT5. It's a pencil mic, so it's a microphone that you can use off camera. And you don't have to present it, right here, right?
Right.
So basically, it's XLR. It goes into the Rodecaster Pro, and which I use for basically everything. I used to have a Go XLR with my PC. I sold that one, 3 days ago. So I use the ATEM Mini as a switcher. And I use the Stream Deck, just the 15 button Stream Deck for it. And my camera right here, the one that I'm using, this one right here, it says CV1, Sony CV1. It has the Ulanzi lens on it, which is the lens that you put and paste it right there. Just stick it in there. It has double tape. I'm using the the CVE10.
Okay, CV. Okay.
He's trying to brand it. ELO, man. I use the 16 millimeter Sigma lens for the depth of field, and then you have here. I get the Facecam. Got it right here for overhead. So if I want to use anything that is overhead, I have it right here. All my lighting is Elgato. This is the new one, the small one. This lights my face a little bit more than the ring light. So I have the ring light. And then I have one here on the side that you can't be able to see. It's behind the camera.
Got you.
That's the Keylight Air. So yeah, that's basically what I use. And this is the low profile Elgato arm right here.
I like it. So by you using all of the Elgato, is it all connected to your Stream Deck where you can control your lights and all that stuff together?
Yes. Everything is connected right here. I can turn off my lights, put them to 100%, put it to 30%. Change my lights. If you see here, I can change my lights to white in the background, or for my branding to purple. I have everything connected here. Everything connected to this components. So,
I like that.
It's a push button component. I'm very picky. And the Stream Deck pedal, which is right here in the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. It's right
there.
It
is.
Yeah.
That's
and obviously everything else is
so is that pretty new to your setup? I know that's a new product, like
brand new to my setup.
How are you using it right now?
I'm using it for scenes. The right pedal, next scene. The left pedal is previous scene. The middle, it's a lower third. So whenever I try to do live to tape, I go forward in the scenes or go back in the scenes. But with Ecamm, I have everything structured from A to B to C to D. And I just go for the scenes. And it's amazing because I don't have to worry about it. And no hands. So it's
cool.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting it until I had a consult with Ash Borland.
Uh-huh.
And he was like, you need to do this, this, and this. So I was a little bit, all over the place. Had a consult with him. He put me in place. And I bought it because I said, you know what? This is the best thing I can use. And it's awesome. Really amazing.
That's awesome.
I wasn't expecting it.
And it's awesome that, other content creators are helping inside of the community to be able to, sometimes all you just need is a little guidance. People can see sometimes what you can't see.
I've always believed in somebody else guiding me through the process because I have my blinders on and sometimes I can't see. So.